kular hakani kesni. Nongtrei hok yaki kamjong. Hop do.
Kikubor Kapatisi TV.
Hatu pindon am kathong manlong kita kinong siat hagi hotel and hagi restaurant ibapau. Hamokam hilapan pun orlong e kathong kocongki. Ke emission kelap le bani ai ki course ki baper kadon ka degree course ka diploma baga advanced diploma course.
Kasorkan mi galia kalapan tip kalajan pendap ya ka Bishar banyak. Ya ka Jingshakri jongka EMRI-108 hendak ya bai dei pa Jingpynskhem ki Nongtrei. Kani ka kamenta kadang Sahteng. Namar ka Jinghiran pisa ka sorkar. Laitu Menteri kakot kakya uba wilat miki shela. Haka jingkran begilap thai khubor hakar artri ujal leo aja pun riau uba shela ulong. Baka sorkar kakwa pan pentikna ya ka bha kamiat jongkin Nongtrei. Pan nakaliang jong katanat kakot kakya ka sokot ekran lang iki Nongtrei ka EMRI-108.
Now we are almost in the completion of I think last time also I update you that we are sending for a study that how can we accommodate them, how can we keep their interests at the same time. So very soon I think we are in the verge of completion of the survey. So after that then we'll sit the department along with the 108 staff, then we'll be able to take any decision.
So they have submitted some memorandum.
Yeah. No, the memorandum from time and again they have coming and have shared a concern, and from the government part I think there are almost 50 to 60% of their concern have been taken care of, except for the regularization part, which is I think one of the major part where the government is not able to take any decision unless that's why we are trying to find a way where we can make sure that it won't burden the government, and as well we can keep the interest of the employee. The service is going on, but it's just that because until unless we have any final decision, so definitely there will be what to say, kind of not sure, not that surety is not there whether that continuation will be there or not. And that's why the government also is like in a hesitation mode that of the expansion until unless we finalize anything, any decision. So definitely there are the impact is there, but it's not that much where you will see that the service they are working even now. They are giving their services to the people.
Mornings are always busy. Everything feels fast. I hear mom shouting and I'm trying not to be late. Outside, Shillong is already awake. Cars move slowly, horns are loud. It feels like everyone is in a hurry. Then the STEMS bus comes in, bright and yellow, always on time. The caretaker waves and I feel okay. Inside, we laugh and sing. We share snacks, we help each other with homework. It feels nice. My parents know I'm safe through the STEMS app on Mom's phone, because this bus isn't just a ride. It takes us to school with friends and a little bit of hope. This is STEMS, our ride